Dr. Sean here, and I'm joined with one of my big clients. So I performed his hair restoration last year, and we did over 2,500 grafts, and this looks amazing. Do you mind looking down for me just a bit? So we did all the crown area right over here. Now the key is that this is the cowlick, so I start off by the cowlick, and all these are going in a forward direction, so it gives oomph and volume right down the line, so it creates a very nice naturalness and the thickness. And this is an art, right? And definitely this is very natural to have that cowlick because we all have it, but I love the density and I love the pattern and the design. So congratulations, perfect, wonderful.